Good morning, Tigers. Today is Thursday, April 30th, 2020, and this is your guided reading class. The book is The Big Wave. We're on Lesson 15, Day 2. These are the supplies you will need for today's class: a whiteboard, marker, eraser, the book, The Big Wave, a pencil, and your writing journal. Please gather those supplies. I'll give you a few moments to get ready, and then we will begin. All right. We're going to start today by going through some beginning blend cards. So you can put your things off to the side for a moment. And we will get ourselves warmed up with our Abeka word cards or blending cards, okay? I'm going to say the card, and then I would like you to repeat it after me, please. So listen first, then repeat after me. STR makes the sound str, as in stream. SCR makes the sound scr, as in scream. SPR makes the sound spr, as in sprain. Do you notice what word is inside sprain? Yes, rain is inside sprain. TW makes the sound tw, as in twins. SW makes the sound sw, as in swim. SM makes the sound sm, as in smoke. SK makes the sound sk, as in skate. Be sure you're saying these out loud, Tigers. I want to hear your voices. SP makes the sound sp, as in spade. SN makes the sound sn, as in snack. SQU makes the sound squ, as in squeak. SPL makes the sound spul, as in splash. Very good. All right, let's move on today. You'll need your whiteboard now and your marker and your eraser. So let's get those out. Okay. We're going to do some word building today with the chunk U or U, depending on how you want to say it. Ooh, U. Okay. We'll build our words over here to the right, and I will build words here with my letter tiles. The first word is N-oo. What word is that? New, you're right. New. What about if I pull that away and I put the F there? You. Few, good. I'm going to add an L here. Full oo. What word is that? Good. I'm going to take away the F and add the B. What word is that? Bull oo. Good. Now I'm going to pull those away, and I'm going to add a DR. Dr, oo. What word does that make? Did you say Drew? If you did, you're right. And let's add this chunk CH. Ch, Ooh. What does it make? Good. Let's go ahead and go through our words. Please read them with me, Tigers. New, few, flew, blue, drew, chew. Again. New, few, flew, blew, drew, chew. Good job. All right, we'll get rid of those. Let's erase our words. We have 3 words to review in our book for today. Soon, after, please write these with me, and don't. Don't we would call a contraction. That means we've squeezed 2 words together. What 2 words have we squeezed together to make the word don't? If you said do not, you are correct. When we squeezed do and not together, what letter popped out? You're right, the O popped out, didn't it? The O popped out, and that's where we get our apostrophe for don't. Good job. Please put the word soon into a sentence. Please put the word after into a sentence. Please put the word don't into a sentence. Good. Let's erase that. Moving on. I'd like you to get out your book now. Here's where I'd like you to read the book to yourself again. I would like you to pause the video, read the book, The Big Wave, and then press play again, and we will finish up with our journal. Please pause the video now and read your book. All right, welcome back, Tigers. Hopefully you've read your book. Let's just review the 2 chapters or the 2 sections in your book today. Please turn to the contents page. Let's read the contents together. Bodyboards at the beach, page 2. The rescue, page 12. In our writing journals today, we are going to be writing 2 sentences to summarize the story. Summarizing the story means that we are going to tell what the story was mainly about. So we're not going to be including a lot of details. We just want a big idea. Actually, we want 2 big ideas. And since there's 2 sections in this book, let's write a big idea for the first part, or the first chapter, and a big idea for the second chapter. So if we write 2 sentences, we should have capital letters at the beginning of our sentences. We should have spaces between our words. We should have 2 punctuations at the end of each idea or each sentence. So I'm going to get out my next open page, and so should you. Now remember, teacher just gives you some ideas when I'm writing in my journal. You can copy my ideas, but I really want to encourage you to write your own ideas. Okay? You grow and you become a much better writer when you write your own ideas. Also, please don't copy the book no matter what. I know you can find a lot of great sentences or ideas in here, but please don't copy any ideas from the sentence or from the book. Please write your own sentence. The book is to be used if you need to look back and remember what the story is about. All right, let's begin. Let's think to ourselves. Somebody wanted, but so. Remember, that was our comprehension focus? Somebody wanted, but so. That kind of helps us move through the flow of a story. Who was the somebody in this book? Scout, right? He was the little brother. Go ahead and think of a main idea or a big idea for the first part of the book, and I will too. All right. These are my two ideas. My first idea for the first part, I said, Scout wanted to bodyboard, but he drifted away. My second big idea for the second part of the book reads, Super Sam and the lifeguard saved Scout. So that's an example of what you could write, or remember, you can write your own big ideas. If you need to pause the video here, you can and finish up, or you can just go ahead and be done for the day if you're finished with your writing. I really want to encourage you, Tigers, to use good handwriting. Sometimes when you're getting busy and you're trying to go quickly, your handwriting can suffer. So do your best to always write with your best handwriting, just like I tried to do today. Once you're done with your writing, be sure to illustrate. In fact, I would like you to write a line at the top of your journal. On this part, I want you to draw a picture that matches the first part of the book or your first big idea. And on this side of the journal, I want you to draw a picture of what would match your second idea for the second part of the book. So you're going to have two pictures today. Be sure to share this with Mom or Dad. I would like them to check your work at the end of writing and drawing. I love you and have a great day.